And how's it going, guys? It's Tech, and today we're talking about the Streetbees application. So if you like this type of content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and bell notification to stay notified with the latest videos on this channel. With that being said, I'm Tech, and let's get into making you some online money. So for those of you that don't know, Streetbees is an application that pays you for your opinion. Now, unlike other applications that does the same thing, Streetbees is much more reliable and it pays you not as quick, but they do pay you. They use PayPal as a payment method. It's set in your country, whether it be in Europe, whether it be in Africa. It doesn't matter which country you're in, it works for all countries. So it needs your opinions for the campaigns that they have. Let's get into the application and show you how it works. Firstly, when you get into the application, you are met with the interface where at the moment I'm doing a campaign right now, but if you scroll down, there's other questions that they'll ask you. I don't know, they don't really work at the moment, but when they do, I'll let you guys know. So I'll put a link in the description for the referral code, because the referral code helps support the channel. And anything that helps support the channel, you guys need to get onto it as quickly as possible. And you'll also get a kickback for yourself when you sign up using the referral code. So it's worth checking out. So basically, the stories that are there, you get paid, whether it be 10, 20 rand, depending on how long the story is. So the more stories you do, the more money it adds up. Right now I've got like $2 something on my $2.64 on my PayPal account. I'll show you guys right now, but it's continued growing. This is not the stories that I've done recently. I've done some stories last month, and the new stories that are going to be coming out right now, I'm going to do them. I've done a few of them, so that money will also be paid into my account. So if you speak different languages, it's not a problem. They also cater to your language, and it's really amazing. It's an application that you should get on. So when you do a campaign, they ask you general questions like how you feeling, you know, what's going on in your situation right now because of what's going on. And you know, you answer random questions that they ask you, and when you're done, you get paid. Simple and as easy as that. And if you want to get into the referral, you also gain a little bit to support whatever it is that you're doing. Yes, it's not a get rich quick scheme. You're not going to make millions in a day unless you've got like millions of fans that can actually use the referral code and sign up with the application. But you know, it's a little bit of pocket change that you can use to fill some void that you're missing. Maybe buy airtime, or go to the mall, or use it for other things, to buy stuff online. Especially I'm looking at buying some stuff on Amazon, so I'm still trying to figure out how to buy Amazon gift cards. Once I figure it out, I'll do a dedicated for that as well. So leave me in the comments down below. Tell me guys what you think about the Streetbees application. Have you tried it? Are you using it? And if you're using it, how are you finding it so far? Anyway, this has been Tech. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe and bell notification to stay notified with the latest videos on this channel. With that being said, I'm Tech, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
She got time, and she knows what to figure out. This ain't in a dream, a place where it seems that love will come around. So don't stay